Good morning students. Today we are discussing about inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix. Let capital A is a square matrix of order n. Then there exists a matrix B of order n such that AB is equal to BA is equal to IA. Then B is called inverse of A, and we write B is equal to A to power minus 1 or A inverse. So A inverse not is equal to 1 by A. Again, inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix. Let A is a square matrix of order n. Then let A is a square matrix of order n. Then there exists a matrix B of order n such that AB is equal to BA is equal to I. Then B is called inverse of A, and we write B is equal to A to power minus 1 or A inverse. A inverse. Note A inverse not is equal to 1 by 2. It is clear from the definition if B is the inverse of A, then A is also inverse of B. Inverse of a matrix the concept of inverse. The concept of inverse is defined only for square matrix. Square matrix. 4. The inverse of a matrix, if it exists, is unique. Is unique. 5. if A has inverse, then A is non-singular, that is determinant of A not equal to 0. Determinant of A not equal to 0. 6 A inverse is exist, then A is called invertible. If A inverse exists, then A is called invertible matrix. These are the notes. Again, A inverse not equal to 1 by A. It is clear from the definition. If B is the inverse of A, then A is also inverse of B. 3. The concept of inverse is defined only for square matrix. 4. The inverse of a matrix, if it exists, is unique. 5. If A has inverse, then A is non-singular matrix, that is determinant of A not equal to 0. If A inverse exists, then A is called invertible matrix. 7. AB 4 inverse is equal to B inverse of A inverse. 8 determinant of A inverse is equal to determinant of arrow inverse. These are the some notes. Now next one, we know that A into odds of A is equal to odds of A into A is equal to determinant of A into IN. Determinant of A into IN here or IN. So this implies A into odds of A, the determinant is equal to determinant of A into IN, the determinant. It implies determinant of A into odds of A, the determinant is equal to determinant of A into IN, the determinant. So implies we know that A into odds of A is equal to odds of A into A equal to determinant of A into I. Sorry, determinant of A into I. Dividing both sides by determinant of A. So this implies A into odds of A divided by determinant of A is equal to odds of A into A divided by determinant of A is equal to I. Condition determinant of A not is equal to 0. अच्छा, multiplying both sides by A inverse. This implies A inverse into A of R of A divided by determinant of A is equal to A inverse into R of A into A divided by determinant of A into A inverse into In. So implies A inverse into A into R of A divided by determinant of A is equal to A inverse, since A inverse into In is equal to A inverse. अच्छा, imply this is In into R of A divided by determinant of A is equal to A inverse. So this is R of A divided by determinant of A is equal to A inverse. Since In into A is equal to A, therefore A inverse is equal to R of A divided by determinant of A. Determinant of A not is equal to 0. Hence, this is the formula for A inverse. A inverse is equal to R of A divided by determinant of A. So first find the determinant of A. If determinant of A not is equal to 0, then A inverse exists. Then find adjoint of A, and A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Suppose determinant of A is equal to 0, then A inverse does not exist. Note, if A determinant of A is equal to 0 implies A inverse does not exist. If determinant of A not is equal to 0, this implies A inverse exists. A inverse exists. Next, In inverse is equal to In itself. That is, inverse of the inner matrix is equal to itself. Inner matrix. So these are the inverse of a matrix. Next example, let A is equal to A, B, C, D is a square matrix of order 2. Is a square matrix of order 2. Find A inverse. Solution: given A is equal to A, B, C, D, then find determinant of A. So determinant of A, B, C, D is equal to AD minus BC. And suppose this is not equal to 0. Next, find the cofactor of each element of A. Each element of the determinant A. So cofactor of small a. Cofactor of small a, that is A11 is equal to minus 1 to 1 plus 1 into D is equal to D. Cofactor of small b, this is A12 is equal to minus 1 to 1 plus 2. तो फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकंड कॉलम को डिलीट कर दियो तो C, this is minus C. Cofactor of C A21 minus 1 to 2 plus 1 second row and first column delete करो. Next determinant, that is b is equal to minus b. Co-factor of d is equal to a to 2 minus 1 divided 2 plus 2. This is a, so this is plus a. Therefore, odds of a is equal to a11, a12, a21, a22 transpose. That is, this is d minus c minus b a is equal to d minus c minus b. This is a. This is the odds of a. Therefore, a inverse is equal to odds of a divided by determinant of a. That means 1 by d minus bc into d minus b minus c a. This is inverse of a for square matrix, order 2 matrix. So example, let a is equal to 3, 5, minus 7, 2. Find a inverse. Find a inverse. Solution. Determinant of a is equal to determinant of 3, 5, minus 7, 2. 6 plus 35 is equal to 41, not is equal to 0. This implies a inverse exists. A inverse exists. So co-factor of 3 is equal to 2. Co-factor of 5 is equal to minus of minus 7. 7. Co-factor of minus 7 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5. Co-factor of 2 is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. Therefore, odds of a 2, 7, minus 5, 3 the transpose. That implies 2, minus 5, 7, 3. Therefore, a inverse is equal to odds of a divided by determinant of a. That means 1 by 41 into 2 minus 5, 7. 2 minus 5, 7. This is a inverse. A inverse. So a inverse is equal to 1 by 41 into 2 minus 5, 7, 3. Or you may write this 2 by 41 minus 5 by 41, 7 by 41, 3 by 41. Next, for order 3. Find the inverse of a third order matrix. Find the inverse of a third order matrix using matrix method. Find a inverse if a is equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 3, 5, 0, 2, minus 1 using matrix method. Matrix method. Solution. Given a is equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 3, 5, 0, 2, minus 1. So determinant of a 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 3, 5, 0, 2, minus 1. This is determinant of expand is determinant 1 into 1 into. So minus 3 -3 -6 -10 -3 -10 -2 into 2 continuous the row and column build karo. This is 1 -0 plus 3 into 3 continuous the row and column build karo. Next determinant -2 -0. This is -13 plus -2 -6. So -21 not is equal to 0. -21 not is equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. A inverse exists. Next, find adjoint of. To find adjoint of A means each element रो कोफैक्टर बाहर करेगा. each element कोफैक्टर बाहर करेगा तार ट्रांसपोज is equal to adjoint of. तो कोफैक्टर of A11 तो -1 to power 1 plus 1 first row and first column build करो. rest part determinant 3 5 2 -1 plus this is -3 -10 -30. Cofactor of A12 -1 to power 1 plus 2 determinant of first row छाड़ दिया second column छाड़ा rest part determinant -1 I 0 -1 minus of 1 minus 0 minus 1. Next, cofactor of small a1 cofactor of A13 -1 to power 1 plus 3 determinant of first row को build कर दिया थर्ड कॉलम को build करा रेस्ट पार्ट determinant -1 3 0 2 is equal to plus -2 -0 -2 cofactor of A21 -1 to power 2 plus 1 determinant of deleting the element of second row and first column. Then find the determinant of rest part is equal to minus of -2 -6 so plus 8. Cofactor of A22 -1 to power 2 plus 2 second row deleting the element of second row and second column 1 3 0 -1 so plus of -1 -0 -1. Next A23 -1 to power 2 plus 3 determinant of 1 2 0 2. This is minus 2 minus 0 minus 2. Next 1 2 0. Next cofactor of A31 -1 to power 3 plus 1 deleting the element of third row and first column 2 3 3 5 is equal to plus 10 minus 9 1 10 minus 9. Next cofactor of A32 -1 to power 3 plus 2 determinant of third row and second column build कर दिया 1 3 minus 1 5 so is equal to minus of 5 plus 3 this is minus 8. Next cofactor of A33 -1 to power 3 plus 3 third row and third column build करो अदर determinant -1 3 so plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, odds of A is equal to -13 -1 -2 8 -1 -2 1 -8 5 ର transpose is or equal to so this implies A inverse is equal to what of A divided by determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to 1 by determinant of A into what is the value of R there? -13 -1 -2 8 -1 -2 1 -8 5. Determinant of A, what is the determinant of A? -3 -10 -3 -10 -13 -3 -10 -13 -2 into 1 -0 plus 3 into -2 -0. This is -13 -2 -6 -21 -21. Determinant of A is -21. So is equal to -1 by 21 into -13 8 1 -1 -1 -8 -2 -2 5. This is A inverse. Or you may multiply -1 by 21 with each element of the determinant. Or you can write also 13 by 21 minus 8 by 21 1 by minus 1 by 21 1 by 21 1 by 21 8 by 21 2 by 21 2 by 21 minus 5 by 21. This is the inverse of A using matrix method. For verifying you multiply A into A inverse. If A into A inverse is equal to identity matrix I, if A into A inverse is equal to identity matrix I, then our answer is correct. Otherwise, answer is wrong. Okay, this is the inverse of A using matrix method. For verifying find A into A inverse. If A into A inverse is equal to I, then our answer is correct. Next assignment, some questions for homework or assignment also. Find A inverse using matrix method if exists. 1 A equal to 1 minus 1 2 0 2 minus 3 3 minus 2 4 2 A is equal to 1 2 4 3 minus 9 5 2 4 8. Next question, verify AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. if A is equal to 2 1 minus 3 4, B is equal to 3 2 1 1 3 1 1. Next question, if A is equal to 1 10x 1 minus 10x 1, then show that A transpose into A inverse is equal to cos 2x minus sin 2x sin